Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week I'm painting up another of my StarQuest heroes with the Robot Legions Pathfinder. They were primed in black and I get started with Argonaut skin for the poncho and base coat of the backpack. I went for a black prime this time instead of a zenithal as it will just help hide some of those shadows. I only really use the zenithal so I can see the details easier, but this army painted primer is matte enough that I don't actually need that anymore. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Bringing up the midtones on the poncho and backpack, I went around with Kronos flesh and just put up all of the areas not in the shadows. Finishing off the tan, I used Eerie's flesh to bring up the edges and upper parts of the folds. Moving on to the leather and the trim around the poncho, I start off with Scabbard brown as the base coat. Brightening up the leather parts, I used the bootstrap brown and just left that darker tone in the recessed parts. The final highlight on the leather and the trim now gets done with Vambrace brown, just to finish off some of the raised parts. Now moving on to the main part of the Mini with the actual body, I'm going for a white look on the body, so I start off with reddish grey over everything. Started to bring in the warm white look, I went around with warm grey. This went over pretty much all of the armour paneling and just left that reddish grey in the recesses and shadowed sections. For all of the areas that will be in direct light and a few of the edges, I used grimy grey just to touch them up. Added in some colour to the mini, the eyes, details on the back and the tips of the rifle rounds all get base coated with burnt red. To brighten up the red, I added a quick highlight using flat red. Moving on to the metallics now, I start off with Surcoat Silver over all of the metal parts. I leave a lot of the black around the edges just to give it a bit of a warm and dirty look. Breaking up some of these silver, I use Spartan bronze. I just went over a few sections to get some variation into them. Getting started on the washes, I start off with a once over of smoke grey on all the body parts. Finishing up, I wash the base and the leather parts with Battle Mud Wash. And that will be it for the Robot Pathfinder. I like how they came out. I think it might be better in more of a forest environment for the base, but I stuck with a mechanical base just to fit it in one of my other StarQuest minis. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. For those of you looking to pick up some new minis or just some painting supplies, there are a couple of affiliate links in the description. Don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, drop it a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.